If you're using a Samsung Galaxy A14 5G and if you would like to go back and turn it to the original position on your Samsung camera settings, how do you do that? We are going to see in this video. If you're using your Samsung camera every time for taking your photographs or videography or some other purpose, and by any chance if you found any issue in your camera of your Samsung Galaxy, if you want to make it reset, how do you do that? On your camera, come to your photo or portrait or video places here, and go to your top left or right corner where the settings icon is given to you. Just tap it here on that one. Upon tapping, you'll be entering into this settings section of your camera, and to reset back to the original position, just scroll up at the end. You'll find this option for reset settings on your Samsung Galaxy. Just go and tap on this reset option, and upon tapping, this will indicate you to reset here with this. If you are just tapping on this one, boom, this will go back to your original position as if you have just bought a new brand phone, and all the camera settings would be made as possible as early when you have taken the phone. This is how you can always set right your camera on your Samsung Galaxy, and you can enjoy from now onwards the beautiful photographs and videographs. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.